Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and manage two accounts in Archero 2. It's actually easier than you think, so stick with me till the end. First things first, to have two separate Archero accounts, you'll need a second Gmail or email account. If you already have one, perfect, you can use it. If not, just create a new Gmail. It only takes a minute. Next, make sure you've installed the Google Play Games app. You can grab it from the Google Play Store if you don't already have it. This app is super useful because it helps you manage multiple game accounts on the same device. Alright, now open Google Play Games. Tap the three-dot menu at the top right corner, go into Settings, and scroll down until you find Change Account for Games. From here, you'll see Archero 2 on the list. Tap on Change, then sign out from your current account. Now, tap your Google account icon and switch to your second email. Once you've selected it, open Archero 2 again. The game will ask you to set up a profile for this account. Just follow the on-screen instructions, click on Create, and wait for it to load. And that's it. You're now logged into your second Archero 2 account. You'll start from level 1, and you can freely switch between accounts whenever you want by repeating these steps. If you switch accounts often, here's a quick tip. Keep the Google Play Games app handy and use the Change Account for Games option instead of reinstalling the game every time. Saves you a lot of hassle. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now you know how to set up two accounts in Archero 2 on the same device. If this video helped you out, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Archero guides.